Isang magandang Huwebes sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang November 26, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 29 days na lang. Pasko na. Nag-Christmas shopping na ba kayo? Kailangan mag-Christmas shopping na po, no? Papasok na po ang Disyembre. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa change in trading hours ng PSE, kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, November 26, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial news from Business World. PhilAir starts bringing back hibernated workers. I think they're calling on the pilots, no, because tourism industry is already picking up. Then the telco industry experts say next government leaders must address constraints. Then more Filipinos are encouraged to become entrepreneurs. Then Meralco, Amber Kinetics team up for energy storage system. That's our news on Meralco, but our main news is on the PhilStar, where the PSE is to revert to pre-pandemic trading hours. The Philippine Stock Exchange will revert to pre-pandemic full-day trading hours effective December 6. At present, PSE's trading hours is from 9:30 to 1 p.m. Nangyari po ito during the pandemic. In fact, nasuspend po ng isang araw yung PSE dahil sa lockdown, but they are now returning. In a memorandum issued late Monday, the PSE said the market would open at 9:30 a.m. until 12 noon and pause for a market recess, then resume 1 p.m. to close at 3 p.m. So 9:30 to 12, 1 to 3. The updated schedule will be in effect until further notice, said PSE President and CEO Ramon Monson. Last year, the PSE initially shortened trading hours up to 1 p.m. after the government imposed an enhanced community quarantine. On March 17, at the height of the COVID-19 related lockdowns, the PSE implemented a total shutdown consistent with the ECQ that the government implemented. I think this was just for 1 day or 2 days, no? Then it resumed with shortened trading hours thereafter. The PSE suspended operations as the government didn't include stocks trading in the list of essential services. It reopened 2 days later when the Emergency Task Force on COVID-19 included capital market in the list of essential services. Traders criticized the PSE's controversial move to shut down the market back then, saying that it sent a wrong signal to investors. So that's our news for today. And now let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. It lost 90.83 points, down 1.23% to end at 7278.44. So in this chart, our 1-day chart, it is now below our 20-day exponential moving average, but I still maintain the 50-day EMA as our support. That's 71.77. Now, RSI is just at the midpoint at 50.06. On the market summary, 135 companies declined, 66 advanced, while 43 remained unchanged. The all-share index lost 1.07% while all the sectoral indices retreated. The losers was led by properties at 1.87%, followed by services at 1.66%. On the market status, we will be reviewing the following stocks. But before I get to that, let me read some comments here from Ludwig van Drake. Sabi niya, "Hi sir, can you check CNPF? I don't know if it's a double top or a pennant." Sige po, tignan po natin si CNPF. Tignan na natin ngayon, CNPF. Okay, CNPF ay, teka, tanggalin po natin yung double top or a pennant. Actually, parang double top, pero double top appears on a bearish market bull market po tayo ngayon, no? Pero ang nakikita ko dito, hindi po double top but a reverse head and shoulders. No? Ito yung head, tapos ito yung dalawang shoulders in reverse. And a reverse head and shoulders appears on a bull market. No? So, bull market po tayo But sometimes it appears, but CNPF being a food company, Century Pacific, positive po yung fundamentals po dito The target price is higher than 26.40. I think it's about 30 to 35 pesos. No? So I think these are just aberrations, and support is holding here at 24.85. So, ito pang isa. "Hi sir, would you consider Mark a good long-term investment?" Ano ba yung Mark? Actually, if Mark is not a familiar name, market cap is 4.16. I know very little about Mark Ventures. But I think yung mga good long-term investments are more on the blue chip stocks like Ayala Corporation, Meralco, Metro Pacific. Yan po ang mga stocks na pwede po nating i-long term dahil mga blue chip stocks po yan. Okay po, but Mark, I am not too familiar with this name. Pero maganda, may dividends po siya, no? Earnings, positive naman yung earnings. But yun po ang aking take for Mark. Okay, Mark is Mark Ventures Holdings. So we will be reviewing the following. Tingnan po natin si Meralco, SM, Glow, Converge, and Tel. So Mer, Ali, SM, Glow, Converge, and Tel. Yan. So tech analysis po tayo. Ngayon, Mer is just, let's put up our indicators, engulfing red candlestick. So I think there is support here at EMA 50 or EMA 100 at 290 dahil nare-reject po siya dito. But our indicators are still pointing upwards with the 100-day exponential moving average as our support. So pataas pa po yung ating mga indicators, meaning that the stock is still bullish with support at EMA 100, nasabi ko na yata yun, 290, and resistance is here at 301. Yan po yung Meralco. Ngayon, may dividend ba? Wala. Earnings lang. So meron siyang revenue of 84.62, net income of 6.95, up 56.45%. I think this is the year to date. And then pagkatapos ni Mer ay Ali. Si Ali ay, it has been moving sideways since November 16, but our 50-day exponential moving average is acting as our support. Okay, so resistance is here at 38.02. RSI is at 47. So this is a bit bearish, but our indicators is still moving upwards. So kasi yung ating moving averages is a lagging indicator eh. But the RSI 47 is bearish, meaning maaring bumaba pa yung ating stock, ano? But it's bullish to sideways ang kanyang movement. Then SM talagang to stock na ito moving sideways to. Nasa 967 po yung kanyang support, while the resistance is here at nearest po, no? 1002. But the higher resistance level is here at 1033, still moving sideways. Then below, moving up with our 20-day exponential moving average, and 50 and 100 days are below our candlesticks, which would mean a bullish and upward trend. So yung ganitong setup po ay isang bullish trend. Pero kung titingnan po natin yung fundamentals ay nasa hanggang 3,000 lang po yung projection ni BDO Securities dito. But it's now at 3.4. The price is already at 3.4. Now, I can place EMA 50 as our support. That's 31.79. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Pagkatapos, si Converge naman. Converge ay still moving sideways, and it is about to be bearish based on our indicators, ano? Because yung ating mga indicators like the 50-day and the 20 days are now above the candlesticks. So yung short and medium term indicators are telling us that the stock is on the way down. Resistance is here at 35 or 36 pesos, while the support is at EMA 100 at 30.56, and it is about to cross the candlesticks, meaning pagka bumaba pa po yan, like dito po sa area to, nasa 27 po, ay bearish na po yan. Now, RSI is already bearish at 39. Then finally, we have TEL. TEL, tinaas ni BDO Securities yung kanyang projection dito eh. Nasa 1800 or 1900 na yata yung kanyang presyo, no? So it's still moving upwards, and EMA 50, and the EMA 50 is our support, no? That's 1632. Resistance is here at 1759 or 1760, and it continues to move upwards. Fundamentally, nasa 1900 na po yung kanyang target price based on the study of BDO Securities. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. November 26, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.